very happy to have two partners from the NEST.Bio. It's Cheryl Cui and Hingge Hsu. Okay. At your earlier panel discussion or whatever, we were talking about the success of entrepreneurship and the startup is all about the ecosystem. Would you like to address that a little bit more?
I think that it's very important to have a very good alignment between all the various parties in the ecosystem for something like biotechnology startups to work. I think that over time Boston has been able to achieve that, for example, because it's anywhere from the government to the industry people and pharmaceutical companies, the scientists, the academic institutions, everybody. And I think that most people, when you tell them about entrepreneurship, they actually think about, oh, it's because an entrepreneur is willing to take risk and do something risky. That's only a very small part of it, because you have to have everything support that entrepreneur. And if you don't do that, then that entrepreneur will get frustrated and will want to go somewhere else.
If you don't do that, risky is
right.
really become a real risk.
Right. And so I think that in that sense, Boston is a good model. And so I was always saying that even in a place like Taiwan, there are different pieces that are in place, but you don't have the complete alignment yet. But that's the part where you need to work on in order to make sure that there is an environment so that people will be attracted to come, and then they will actually stay. So for NEST.Bio, I think that we believe in that philosophy, and so that's why we actually have different pieces of what we think an entrepreneur will need in order to initially start a company, and that includes, for example, having lab space that the entrepreneur otherwise he doesn't need a lot of space, but he needs something relatively economical and